Hi, I've just finished running a Dashboards in Modern Excel one-day training course at the Southern Cross University in Lismore, which is in northern New South Wales. Dashboards in Modern Excel just seems to be such a popular topic at the moment. I seems to be the course that I'm running the most frequently. Tomorrow I'm heading to Adelaide, and then on Friday I'm leaving for Dubai. So it's a pretty busy time at the moment. But dashboards seems to be the number one thing that people want. I think it's because taking data and making it visual and making it useful and in a way that people can understand in dashboards is just so important. And being able to do that using modern Excel tools like Power Query and Power BI is great. So we had a really jam-packed day. It was a busy day, but what was fantastic was we had people with all different levels. You know, most people had been using Excel a lot, like their Excel was pretty good, and some of them had been using Power BI, and some were completely brand new, like hadn't used Power BI at all. So it's just gradually being introduced into the organization. And one of the things that was fantastic was that the people who had been using Power BI actually got up and shared with the group and showed us what they'd been doing, so all of their reporting. And what was amazing was that there were people within the university from different areas that didn't know that the university was already using Power BI, and it was just fantastic that they were able to see what each other were doing and to see what's possible. So my big tip is being able to share, like show others what you're doing, and then find out what other people are doing in your organization or in your industry, because quite often you don't know what's available or what's possible, or what you can do. And so we've had a whole group of 15 people today that now know each other and what their capabilities are in terms of Excel and in terms of Power BI. So it's really important to get together and share your knowledge and learn from each other.